The human foot is a marvel of nature. On natural ground, it trains itself permanently. To walk as nature intended is the most functional and healthy way for our feet. This is what we call Naturgewolltes Gehen. The walking cycle begins when the heel digs deep into the ground. All arches are fully underpinned by the earth. Body weight is distributed evenly across the whole foot. When rolling off, the toes dig into the ground, then push off. The anatomically shaped Birkenstock footbed gives natural support and stimulation. All forces are distributed perfectly. Foot muscles are exercised as if walking on sand, even on the hard surfaces of our modern cities. This is how Birkenstock enables walking as nature intended. Naturgewolltes Gehen.